Hi, my name is Sonalika Singhal and I'm PhD student at UND, Department of Pathology. And my project is bladder cancer research prediction model for human exposed to arsenic gene expression analysis. So here arsenic is one of the heavy metal that is present in environment. There are several sources of arsenic such as industrial activities, such as wood treatment, mining, pesticides, etc. Arsenic is getting deposited slowly in water and soil in some area of US and Asia. They have high level of arsenic in groundwater. It can be consumed in form of water, food, like rice, fish, dust. A continuous long-term exposure of arsenic can cause serious health issues. For example, if humans are exposed to the metal for longer period of time, then it start accumulating in bones, nails, hair, skin, and after certain period of time, it affects lungs, kidneys, liver, heart as well. But in this study, I am focusing on the effects of arsenic in bladder. So to address this issue with the help of human genetics, we collected the data from two different Asian population who are exposed to high level of arsenic via drinking water. We also look at the changes of the gene expression level to find out how it affects the male and female. This figure shows that that's the genetic difference in terms of gene expression, which are significantly different between male and female after arsenic exposure. We introduce level of arsenic as low, medium, and high in association with gender to find gene changes in genes. We applied artificial intelligence and statistical modeling, such as random forest, hierarchical clustering, and ANOVA model for analysis. We got a set of genes which are significantly expressed due to exposure of arsenic between male and female. Then we'll look at the association of those genes between the with the cancer by looking at the gene expression with the cancer cell lines, which are exposed to arsenic. And we ended up finding 58 genes which were common between human exposed to arsenic and cancer line exposed to arsenic. We created a gene to gene interaction network to find the missing link between those genes. To find the functional relevance of these genes, we have performed the pathway analysis here, and they find very interesting set of pathways associated with arsenic exposure cancer genes. To develop a bladder cancer risk prediction model, we test the predictionability power of each genes independently and in the combination of as multivariate model. So we ended up a set of few genes, those have prediction ability of 89 to 99% with the help of few genes. So the final goal is to develop a device which can provide an indication of disease like blood cancer in this case, which we can monitor by ourselves. The manuscript for this research is under review. So thank you.